Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can share your YouTube link on Instagram story. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you through that new share link feature. So if you want to get in touch with this video, you gotta update your Instagram, so make sure your Instagram is up to date, otherwise you can't use the feature which I'm gonna be using. Alright, so follow the step, but before that just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Once a step, let's move on. First step, you want to go to your YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, so I'm going to click on the three dot at the top of the YouTube channel and click on share, click on copy link. What I just did was copy the link of my YouTube channel. If you do not know, that's how you guys can copy the link of your YouTube channel. Go to your channel and do the thing which I just did. Once you're over here, click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen, and at the top click on the plus button and go on versus story. Once you're on story, you want to click a random photo. Now you can click a random photo or choose a photo from your gallery. Alright, I decided to click a photo. Once you do that, at the top of your screen you can see a sticker with a smiley icon with its bottom right corner peeled. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the link option over here. If you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, at the top versus URL, you need to paste the link which you just copied from your YouTube. And at the bottom versus customize sticker text, click on it, and you want to write the text which you want to display. So let's say my channel name is Witchy, so I'm gonna write my channel name over here and I click on done. And as you guys can see, it's named Witchy Kevin over here. Now whoever clicks on it, they're gonna be taken to my channel. Alright, so once you do that, click on the arrow at the bottom of your screen, click on share, click on done, and it's going to be posted on the story. So let me show you guys. As you guys can see, it's been posted. Now if somebody clicks on this link, click on visit link, it's going to take them to my YouTube channel. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can share your YouTube link on Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, peace out.